guys, welcome to another video, and today in this video I'm going to try and make the jump of my life down there, and here we go. Now there's got to be a way.
You need some help?
Nope.
Can I give you a hint? There's that big tree over there. Huh? Okay.
So put down in the comments what you want me to do next that's really scary, and make it challenging. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and peace.